friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today we're working on cleaning and decluttering and organizing some of my craft room. The funny thing about this video, it's very short, but it actually took 2 days to do. The host of this challenge is R. Gray House and Merely Melissa. Please check out their channels and all the cleaning and organizing inspiration for your craft room. Boy, I need all the help I can get, ladies. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you can use some of the tips I use to declutter. And I sold a bunch of stuff that I decluttered on Marketplace, and I made over $100, so I guess I didn't do too bad. And it's now more comfortable for me to use and craft in my space. Okay, this is my craft room day one. I have already removed the table and the chair where I craft. And I am going to start by going through tote by tote, decluttering, and seeing what is just junk in here, and then organize the rest. Where would you start if this was your craft room? I decided that I'm going to start with the totes. Okay, I'm going through each tote by tote, and seeing what I want to keep, what I want to donate, and what I could sell maybe. Just to try to reduce some craft supplies back there. What I'm doing is, this is stuff I'm keeping. That is stuff I'm parting with. And then I have a bag for just trash. And I'm sorting tote by tote, bag by bag, until I see what I want. That's a whole tote of stuff that I'm not keeping. Okay, this is day 2. This is what we're working with now. You can tell a big difference. I have to go through my floral tray, pick the rest of the stuff up off the floor that has fell on the floor. I have to do that yet. And we gotta put that into categories. The stuff that's on the floor. And over here we're starting to get stuff sorted into bins. And we're down to 2 things of ribbon. We have 1 thing of florals, and then 2 things of mixed. I have 1 tote out there I gotta sort through. I've worked some on the closet, this side of the closet. I have to work on this side of the closet next. But it's getting there. We got our tree back, organized it a little bit. My table is back, and it's clean. The trash cans and those containers, those are gonna leave. These are gonna go. That's stuff I've got decided I'm not gonna use. And there it is. You can see the floor.